Oxytocin is a remarkable little molecule. It's often called the love hormone, but it does so much more than just make us feel love. Oxytocin is essential for social bonding, childbirth, and even stress relief. In this exploration, we'll delve into the fascinating world of oxytocin. We'll uncover its chemical secrets, understand how it's made, and learn about its powerful effects on our bodies and minds. Join us as we unravel the magic of oxytocin. Chemically speaking, oxytocin is a peptide, a type of molecule made up of small chains of amino acids. These chains are like the building blocks of life, forming the essential components of proteins and other crucial substances in our bodies. Don't worry, you don't need to be a chemist to appreciate its elegance. The beauty of oxytocin lies in its simplicity and the profound effects it has on us. Oxytocin's structure is surprisingly simple, yet it exerts a profound influence on our biology. This small molecule, often referred to as the love hormone, plays a significant role in social bonding, sexual reproduction, and even during childbirth. This tiny molecule acts as a messenger, traveling through the bloodstream and binding to specific receptors on cells throughout the body. These receptors are like specialized docking stations, ready to receive oxytocin and initiate various biological processes. When oxytocin docks onto these receptors, it triggers a cascade of events that influence our behavior, emotions, and physiology. For instance, it can promote feelings of trust, empathy, and bonding between individuals. It's a bit like a key fitting into a lock, unlocking a specific set of responses within us. This key and lock mechanism ensures that oxytocin's effects are precise and targeted, making it a powerful tool in the intricate workings of our bodies. Oxytocin is produced in a small region of the brain called the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus acts as a control center for many essential bodily functions, including hormone production. From the hypothalamus, oxytocin is transported to the pituitary gland, another tiny but mighty structure nestled at the base of the brain. The pituitary gland is responsible for releasing oxytocin into the bloodstream, where it can travel throughout the body, exerting its effects on distant organs and tissues. This journey from the brain to the body highlights the interconnectedness of our mental and physical states. One of the most remarkable things about oxytocin is its ability to influence our emotions and behavior. When oxytocin courses through our veins, we tend to feel more trusting, generous, and connected to others. It promotes feelings of love, empathy, and well-being. Researchers believe that oxytocin plays a crucial role in forming and maintaining social bonds. It helps us feel closer to our loved ones, strengthening our relationships and fostering a sense of belonging. Our bodies release oxytocin in response to a variety of stimuli, many of which involve social interaction and physical touch. For example, hugging, kissing, and cuddling all trigger the release of oxytocin, promoting feelings of closeness and intimacy. But it's not just physical touch that matters. Simply looking into the eyes of someone we love can also boost oxytocin levels. Other activities that promote oxytocin release include listening to music, singing, dancing, and engaging in acts of kindness. Section 6. The Science of Hugs and Friendship. Have you ever wondered why a simple hug or spending time with friends can make you feel so good? It's not just in your head. There's actual science behind it. Oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, plays a vital role in building and maintaining friendships. This powerful hormone is released in our brains during social interactions, especially those involving physical touch. When we spend time with friends, engaging in enjoyable activities like playing games or having a picnic, our brains release oxytocin, which strengthens our social bonds. This hormone acts as a natural glue, helping us to feel more connected and secure in our relationships. This hormone helps us feel more connected to our friends, increasing our sense of trust and belonging. It's like a social superpower that enhances our ability to empathize and support one another. Studies have shown that people with higher levels of oxytocin tend to have stronger social connections and report feeling happier and more supported. These individuals often experience lower levels of stress and anxiety, thanks to the comforting presence of their friends. So, next time you're feeling lonely, don't hesitate to reach out to a friend for a chat, a hug, or a fun outing. Even a simple phone call can trigger the release of oxytocin, lifting your spirits and strengthening your bond. Your brain will thank you for the oxytocin boost. Remember, nurturing your friendships is not just good for your social life, it's also beneficial for your mental and emotional well-being. So go ahead, make that call, plan that outing, and enjoy the science of hugs and friendship. Section 7. Oxytocin and the joys of parenthood. Oxytocin takes center stage during childbirth and breastfeeding, playing a crucial role in bonding mothers and their babies. As labor progresses, oxytocin levels surge, helping to stimulate uterine contractions and facilitate delivery. After birth, oxytocin continues to work its magic, promoting milk ejection during breastfeeding and fostering a deep sense of love and attachment between mothers and their infants. The act of breastfeeding itself triggers the release of oxytocin in both mothers and babies, creating a beautiful positive feedback loop of love and connection. Section 8. Stress relief thanks to oxytocin. While often associated with love and social bonding, oxytocin also plays a role in regulating stress and anxiety. When we're feeling stressed, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that prepares us to deal with threats. While cortisol is essential for survival, chronically high levels can be harmful to our health. Oxytocin acts as a counterbalance to cortisol, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. It helps to calm our nervous systems, lower our heart rate and blood pressure, and reduce feelings of stress and overwhelm. Section 9. Oxytocin, a key ingredient in the human experience. From the moment we're born, oxytocin shapes our lives, fostering love, connection, and well-being. This hormone, often referred to as the love hormone or cuddle chemical, is released in large amounts during childbirth and breastfeeding, creating a strong bond between mother and child. This remarkable hormone plays a vital role in social bonding, childbirth, stress relief, and so much more. It helps us form trust and empathy, which are essential for building and maintaining relationships. When we engage in positive social interactions, our bodies release oxytocin, making us feel happier and more connected. Understanding how oxytocin works can help us appreciate its importance in our lives and inspire us to seek out experiences that boost its production. Research has shown that activities like hugging, laughing, and even petting animals can increase oxytocin levels. By being aware of this, we can consciously choose to engage in behaviors that promote our well-being. So let's make an effort to hug our loved ones, spend time with friends, engage in acts of kindness, and nurture our social connections. Volunteering and helping others not only benefits those we assist, but also boosts our own oxytocin levels, creating a cycle of positivity and connection. By doing so, we can harness the power of oxytocin to enhance our lives and the lives of those around us. Whether it's through simple gestures like a warm hug or more significant acts of kindness, we have the ability to create a more connected and compassionate world.